Okay, so hello. So I recently did a video where I reviewed Glossier products and I thought I would do it again, but this time I'm gonna do it with a foundation. So I got this Pony Effect Coverstay Cushion Foundation and it's really pretty. Like, it has like this sort of, you can like see the reflection of my setup right there. It's really but yeah, I've only ever tried like one cushion foundation before, and it was from Para. See, this is why I'm always so reluctant to like try cushion foundations, is because of the shade range. It's not that great. This, I think it matches like my face, but I'm currently not the same color as my face, because if you have a good skincare routine going on that includes like an exfoliant and all of that, your face is never going to be the same color as your body. It's whatever. I know that I can make this work. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be reviewing today. I'm super excited about it because I've actually never tried Pony Effect makeup, and e.l.f. actually sent this to me. So thank you so much to e.l.f. for letting me try this. So I guess I can sort of talk through this a little bit more like how I did with my Glossier one. But so this is like my favorite primer. I'm gonna use like a primer that I know for a fact I love, and usually works with everything I put on top of it, so that I can like get a good gist of like whether or not I'm gonna like this. Also, I want to try this ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. So I'm gonna apply it with the little blender it came with, like the little cushion. So I'm just gonna like tap it very lightly, because my experience with my past one was like this sort of soaks up a lot. So when you, oh, that smells really good. That smells really good. Okay, so I'm just gonna like sort of start in this area. Ooh, see what I mean? Like once you start patting it out, like it doesn't look like there's any product on here, but because it soaks it up, but once you start patting it in, it starts coming out and blending. Okay, I think, so this shade is pretty identical to the color of my face. Like I said, it would be much better if you like matched it to your neck, because it would just look way better, but obviously I can definitely change that with bronzer, I guess. So right off the bat, the coverage is good. I like it. So yeah, the coverage is really good, just for like the little amount that you use. But also, I'm not like a full coverage person, so maybe if you're a full coverage person, this might not be full coverage to you, but to me, as long as it evens out my skin tone and takes away like a lot of my pink like redness, that's perfectly fine with me. So what I do like about these cushions is that since in Korea most people do have like a more yellow undertone, it's gonna be way easier to find a yellow undertone in these. But again, the shade range, it's just like, what do you even do? Like, because obviously like these products aren't available here in the United States, right? So when you're choosing it online, you just have to like hope you get it right. So I'm just gonna like try to bring some down a little bit just to sort of blend it, because I'm looking very ghost right now. Also, another thing I want to point out is that, so when you initially buy like the foundation itself, I love this. It comes with a refill. Like for the price, I think that's amazing. So it's much more of like a natural finish, I think. But in some parts it does, like when I was first blending it in, it looked matte, and I'm not sure if because it was like sitting on top of this and it like sunk into my skin and this sort of helped it out, that it got a little bit more like dewy looking. So let me read the description. Leave skin looking flawless all day with this upgraded version of Pony Effect's best-selling so it's a best-selling Coverstay Cushion Foundation. The makeup base boasts a long-lasting formula that lasts for up to 30 hours. So it doesn't say it's matte, so I'm assuming that it's more of like a natural like skin-like finish, which that would be ideal for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup just to see like how all of it sort of sits on my face. concealer first. Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna try the Pretty Fresh concealer now. So I tried this Pretty Fresh concealer on this side and I don't like it. So this is with all the makeup done. But yeah, so my final thoughts is I guess I gotta try it out more. I don't hate it, but also it's like really, for some reason I'm just so hard to impress when it comes to foundations, because I feel like I have unreachable expectations for stuff. But it looks nice with the rest of my makeup done. Yeah, the rest of my makeup sat on top very well. It didn't really disrupt anything else. I will say the Pretty Fresh concealer did not go on top well. It looked really patchy, but also I think in general it's just this formula, because my NARS concealer sat on top very well. I guess I just gotta wear it more. I gotta see how it wears on throughout the day, like if it just starts to break up or whatnot. So maybe I can give like an update at the end of this video. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you were curious about YesStyle, I will link the product that I used in this video down below. Okay, what's your review of the foundation?
It looks very natural and it does not look cakey like these other YouTubers. So that's a steal.
Okay, cute. Okay, Mother, what do you think of the foundation?
I can't see.
Okay, let's go under the light. This is like, to me, this is the worst lighting in the bathroom.
No, it's not.
Does it look nice?
I like how it looks. You can go a shade. I can definitely see.
A shade darker.
Yeah, but because on your chin it looks really white. But everywhere else it looks fine.
Yeah, because I put a lot of bronzer on, but...
Put up your forehead. You put on your forehead too or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. It looks dewy. It's dewy?
It's supposed to be like more of a natural finish.
Yeah, it looks natural.
Okay, so final review. I put on setting spray because I didn't put on setting spray before. That's like the step I forgot. And it's wearing, like, I like foundations that as you wear them, they like look better. And this is one of those. Like, my skin looks really natural. And those were the claims. So this was successful. I really like it. I don't wear makeup that often, but when I do, I want it to look very natural. So yeah, thank you for watching.